Hey guys, I am officially quarantined again. My dad tested positive for COVID and I was around him, so I'm quarantined. So for this week, instead of starting the Crucible like I said we were gonna do, just because we have one day for each, like one A day, one B day this week, we're gonna do something different and then we'll start actually reading the play next week. And I'll be back next week. I think on Wednesday is when I'm officially back. But I'm here, so if you have questions, please email me and I'll get to them. So, but this week should be pretty easy. What you're going to do is you're going to read a poem, and it's called Half Hanged Mary. And this poem was actually written after after the Salem witch trials, but about a true story. So in this poem, it has someone who is hanged, and just as we go forward with the Salem witch trials, we're going to talk about hangings a lot. Just FYI, people are always hanged. I know that sounds wrong, and like the grammar to your ears, kind of like, but people are always hanged, so you can't hung. They're never hung, so that's just one of those dumb grammar rules. So if you're like, "Wow, Miss Day, learn grammar. Why are you saying hanged?" I promise that is actually the right grammar. Okay. So the poem's called "Half Hanged Mary," and it's about someone that, because people thought she was a witch, she got hanged, and it kind of goes through the night. So from her perspective, and the poem's broken up by time. So it's like 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 11, so on and so forth until the morning. And so for each section in the poem, there's going to be a couple questions that you're just going to answer. So you're going to read through the poem, and then you're going to answer the questions that go along with each section, right? So there'll be like 2 to 3 questions per section. So 2 questions on what happened during 7 p.m. Okay. So it kind of sets the mood for getting into the Crucible, and so I hope you guys will like it. So that will just be the only assignment this week, besides pick a new book for the quarter. So hopefully you're ready for a new book. If you're reading a series, the next book in the series, or if you're just ready for something different, pick something. So remember that it needs to be a book you haven't read before. A lot of people during their presentations for second quarter talked about they'd read this book before. Remember, I want it to be a book that you've never read before, that you choose to read this quarter. But otherwise, there's no, like, you can pick any book you want as long as it's on high school grade level. Okay. If you need recommendations for books or can't find something you like, let me know, and hopefully we can find something that you like. Okay. So reading for this week and answer the questions about the poem, and then we can start third quarter off rocking, getting those things done. Okay. Like I said, please reach out if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them, email you, or if you want to set up a Zoom, we can do that. Okay. So have a good week.